how to block internet access of an application on Windows 11. So for that purpose, launch the Windows Setting app. Let's head over to the settings. And from here into the left sidebar, we're going to select Network and Internet. And from here, we're going to click onto the Advanced Network Settings. And here we're going to choose Windows Firewall. We're going to wait for the next thing to open up. And from here, we are going to select the advanced setting from the basic center bottom right here. Let's head over to the advanced setting. Into the Windows Firewall, we're going to click on advanced settings. And then we're going to allow this app to make a difference on it. From here, we are going to click on, this is where it is. From here, we're going to click on the outbound rules. And here we are going to create a new rule right here. And once you create a new rule, what you're going to do is you're going to select program. And here you're going to browse to the program's path and select block the connection. Simply just browse through the selected application that you want to use. Let's just say I want to block internet for this specific app. I'm going to select that. I'm not going to do that for the purpose of the video, but all you have to do is select it. Once you're done browsing, you're going to click on block the connection. So that in its own is just simply going to block the internet connection onto a specific application on Windows 11.